You can see how you're breaking out here, right? We were looking at this one when I did the live trading video today, and I pointed out where you could do it if you wanted to, right? I mean, it's pretty clear how you got to this. Here, let me show you this level. Pretty clear how you got to that level, came back down, open, retested, back over the open and went. You could have done it. We pointed it out. I didn't do this trade. I didn't like the positioning of the NASDAQ when these trades fired today. So for me, the way that I trade, it's always index, sector, stock, right? That's how I trade, index, sector, stock. So if I don't like the positioning, I won't put the trade on. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is this was a great quarter, okay? And it doesn't matter how I feel about the company or the position of the company. One of the things I was explaining to people yesterday is just roll your charts back to January 1st and go on the assumption of could it get back up to here by January 1st? Well, we're basing, if you take a look at it from that perspective, right? If you shorten your time frame perspective, you're basing. Look at your volume, okay? You were only here once more back here, all right? This beat earnings expectations and they raised guidance. This was just some kind of nonsense. This is actually a real quarter where what they did here in the cost cutting actually paid off. So you have to give them credit for that, right? And so for me, looking at this, I don't think this trade's over. I think if you make a higher high tomorrow, you have a double-digit stock. So I might look at this for a second tier play, right? And do this tomorrow. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.